Good afternoon, everybody. This is Saeed Alexander coming live. Um, so today we're going to be talking about connecting your QuickBooks with eBay and PayPal. So basically, what you want to understand is once you start your business, it's important to track everything, all your expenses that you're putting into it. Don't wait until you start making money to track everything. Why? Because you can write off some of the expenses that you have. Um, on income tax to come down as of oh god, what is it, losses instead of gains, which can also offset your taxes when it comes to your W-2 and income, because you're using your W-2 income to fund your 1099 income. So I just want to go ahead and go over a couple of things so that you guys understand it. I'm gonna put you guys here. uh then I'm gonna just share the screen on the main screen. Okay, so I'll come down here. I'm gonna go to QuickBooks. All right, so this is the back end of my QuickBooks. So basically, what I do is I have multiple businesses. So I do my own bookkeeping. However, I do it as a service for Busy Life Outlook. That is my financial services company, um, where we do credit repair, income taxes, um, inspections, accounting, and I said inspections, accounting, credit repair, inspections, with cryptocurrency. We're looking to go into in income taxes. I haven't said it already. So those are the services that I do over there. So basically, what I do is when I open up a new business, I put myself down as a client. Why? Because now I'm making income as an accountant off of my other businesses, and you also get an experience as well. So I'm going to take you in the back office of my affiliate marketing um, business, which is Busy Life Outlook or Saeed Slim Alexander. This is the sole proprietorship that I set up specifically for those two entities. So what's going to happen is when you connect your bank accounts, you're going to come down to, I want to see my account, and everything pops up. See, it shouldn't be like that. It shouldn't be like that. Mm, so apps, let's go to my apps, and as you see, connect to PayPal, connect to eBay. So basically, what you want to do is you want to connect both of these platforms to your QuickBooks. Why? Because when it comes to the dashboard, it'll have like all of the information that you have for the last couple of days. Then you review it, and as you see right now, everything has zero. So right now, what's happening is it's populating. It takes 24 hours to populate. Now, from eBay, I haven't started making sales on there yet. I just started. I just got some products, and I did the inventory for it. Um, so you want to come in here and you want to do your products and services. So you come in here, you do your products and services, and basically you come down, you go through all your products and services, and you input everything inside of there. Why? Because you're going to have your sales price. You're going to have everything that you need in here, so that when it comes to selling it to someone, you can say, all right, well, this is $20, this is $10, this is $12, this is $45, this is $20. Even with your services, you want to come in and put your services down. So this is something that I didn't finish, so I'm going to go ahead and do it with you guys now so that you can see what I'm talking about. So I'm just going to go into my calendar. So the services that I do here are as follow. Services, website design, and I also ran this over here so you can see on my calendar. This it has all my products and services that I'm planning to start doing. So then you just do what's the category? I would just do services. And then obviously you go in here and you want to see how much to do it for. And obviously you have to collect everything over here. So this is 2,500. 2,500. You want to see them close. You want to go back. So then you go through each one of these and you just, or whatever your products and services are, and you do that. So now I just wanted to show you that one. I'll do this on my own time because I don't want to have to sit here with you guys and bore you to death and do it like that. So what happens now is all of your information will come here. So now when you make a sale on eBay, it'll come to your QuickBooks, and now you'll have to come in here and you'll have to review the book. So you come to overview, then it'll have the transactions. So you'll have to come in here and you'll have to do the transactions, 57 transactions. Then you come here and you record everything. So now what this is doing is making sure that your books are balanced, as well as what is everything going to. So for example, Linktree is an expense. So you got to switch it. For example, here, you want to switch it. Expense. So then you also have to come in here and do your expenses, bank, income, expenses, advertising, promotion. I'll keep that in there for right now. Operation. So anything that's your operation calls, you want to record it. And I believe that would be Linktree would be his own thing. It'd be a vendor because you're buying from it. And don't quote me on it because I'm still learning. So basically what happens is you go through, and it's probably fucked up my whole creditability, but basically what happens is you go through this pro advisor program. And basically what it's doing is going to teach you how to do accounting basically. And I can show you guys that as well. So let's go back to busy life. Back to practice. So it's the pro advisor program. So basically what it's going to do is you'll have your clients and you'll come here and you'll go to training and you get a certification for this. So basically, you go through here. Welcome and to the new and improved Pro Advisor. You go through the training, and let's say like how I just stumbled upon something that I know about but I need clarification on it. I can come in here and I can go, okay, QuickBooks Online, expenses and vendors, and I can have a whole course on doing it. So as you see, I've done it already, but I haven't had a real business to actually do it on. So now that I have a real business that I'm doing it on, I can now, all right, boom, I didn't know how to do it. So now I can come and figure out, all right, enter in expenses. It's going to take 12 minutes for me to go to the course. So what I would do is I would open this, in a new tab. Open this in a new tab. Boom. I got two tabs open, do the same thing. Put it in a different window. Go back to practice. No, but I did do it right because it is an expense. So short say if you only have one company open, please do follow and refresh the page. Oh, so you can't do that. Okay, so tip, if you need to work in two different QuickBooks companies at the same time, use two different browsers like Chrome or Firefox. So right now I'm in Safari, so I will go in Chrome and open it up in there and then work on it like that. So now I got my training and I got hands-on activities that I can do so that I can balance my books and keep it so I'm gaining experience. And this is what you can do as you start to, if you're trying to get into accounting or just to know. Here's my thing. This is what I always say to myself and to other people. I want to know every aspect of my business. Why? Because uh, previous like movies and other people that you hear in business, oh, some that accountant was stealing money from me and I didn't even know. So with that being said, I want to be able to say, look, I know how to do accounting. However, I need somebody else to do it. Why? Because I have other things that I need to do. So when you starting off, yeah, it's only going to be you. But let's say, boom, busy life start popping off. You still got to do inventory. You still got to go out and buy the products. All right, let me put $40,000 towards buying somebody that can either do my books or take on this client because it is a client, and now they're doing their books. And so now all I gotta do is come in here and look over it. All right, everything good. They're not stealing no bread from me. So now it's like, all right, now I can allocate the work to everybody else while I can go and do and scale and move wider. Um, Even with anything, any business, you think about your job. That's what you're doing. You're helping somebody build their company basically. So with that being said, guys, I hope you found this valuable. You want to go ahead and connect everything from your eBay, your PayPal, um, even your bank account, because once you start to bring that money in, now it's going to start to funnel, and everything needs to be allocated so that when it comes time to get audited, then you'll be like, oh, here go everything, here you go. Versus waiting until you start to make money, a lot of money, and then you're all over the place. You want to make sure your foundation is good. You want to make sure that you are profitable in everything that you do. So that being said, guys, I hope you found this valuable. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you at the top.